Welcome to our trading channel. This is Jenny from peakbinaryoption.com. Today USD JPY experienced the upward trend. 143.4 is the strong resistance level. When the price break it, I placed a long position. Although there is a drawback, it rebound at the same level. There is no 100% win rate system. But you can make money in long run if you trade from the perspective of statistics and probability. I will hold them till expiry because the chance to lose is near zero. There are many psychological traps in trading. You need to identify them and mistakes made before. Then you can improve the results. If you have any question, feel free to contact our team via email or Skype. Thanks for watching and wish you succeed in trading.